Hello boys and girls, I want to show you a job that I've got on bench at the moment, and it's this. It's an ICOM IC-2725 dual band mobile radio. It belongs to a friend of mine, and the other day it developed a fault whereby sometimes it would transmit and sometimes it wouldn't. And my friend had this brilliant idea of putting it in the freezer overnight. Well, that cured the intermittent fault because it then became a permanent fault. It wouldn't transmit at all. So I said I'd have a look at it. I don't know why. I should just learn to keep my big mouth shut because they're always a pain in the backside. Like all modern two-way radios, it's surface mount, put together by robots, not designed for human beings to repair. Half the components are on the top of the board and the other half are on the bottom. Pain in the backside. Anyway, I had a look at it and came to the conclusion that this 8-volt regulator, this little gizmo, was faulty. Because when you first switched it on, it was outputting 9.6 volts, and then within seconds it went down to 7 and then 5.5 volts. So I took that out and replaced it with a standard sort of a 8-volt regulator, that one there. And now here you can see 7.94 volts. So that's cured that temporarily. There is a transistor gone on the other side of the board as well. So the situation at the moment is we need some components. I am now getting some RF out of it. If you can, I don't know whether you can see that top meter, bottom meter, my mistake, bottom. We're getting a bit of RF out of it, not a lot. But this power supply is only 1 amp out, and also these output devices here have got no heat sinks on them, so I don't want to be trying to shove a lot of power through them. I'll just remove these test clips and show you the other side of the board. Here we are, look, half of components on one side and other half of components on the other side, which means if you want to get to a component that's on bottom of it, you've got to take all the screws out, you've got to unsolder the antenna socket, which should be there, and it's all got to come out. Pain in the backside, but anyway, I offered to have a look at it, so I'm stuck with it now. So until we get some components, I'll stop recording and I'll come back to you in a couple of minutes time when we've got some bits to put in. Well, here we are, back again. What's been a couple of seconds for you has been a week for me, because we had a problem locating this regulator. This little one here, you can see it. According to the manual, the case size is HSOP3, and I couldn't find any regulators that were HSOP3. So I ordered some that were D2 pack, and I didn't know that D2 pack came in various sizes. Anyway, the ones that came didn't fit, so I had to order another one. This one, which is TO252, which seems to be the same size as HSOP3. Anyway, regulators in there. The faulty transistor is in. That's that one just there, if you can see it. Miserable little thing there, cost nearly £5 for that little thing. Disgusting. Anyway, what we've got to do now is put it all back together and put it back in its box. Back in a minute. Right then, here we are again. Everything back together, I hope. No bits left, no screws left, which is always a good sign. We've got it set on low power. Let's have a look what we've got here. .4 on low power. Move it up a notch. Mid power 12.8 watts. And high power. I don't know if my power supply is big enough for this, but 43 watts. 43 watts, there you go. So I think we'll call that a success. Nail lid back on, send it back to its owner and tell him never to bring it back again. Thanks for watching.